the finest message which the country wants to listen to, country wants to see. The country doesn't want hate and hatred. Country wants the message of peace, harmony, amity, brotherhood, solidarity. Deepak and Vijay, both of them fought these 150 gundas, not for anything. They knew that it's fraught with dangers. See, there has been FIR filed against Vijay and Deepak. Even Deepak's mother was heckled, harassed. She's running a tea stall for the livelihood. Even she was rounded off. She was harassed by these 150 gundas. They knew very well that their life is going to be miserable. Now, what has happened is that in Deepak's gym, there used to be 150 daily people. I mean, those people who used to come and take exercise. This number 150 have gone down considerably. Now it is only 6 or 7. So his livelihood is being affected, which he knew that. He is going to be harassed by the administration. The dominant ideology is going to harass him, chase him. But still, this 150 or 200 gundas who tried to storm that poor Musliman shop, what was his mistake? He had put the name of his shop as Baba. That was it. Somebody says that the name Baba is somebody's monopoly. And he even had put his name, Muhammad, there on the name board, just to make sure that it is run by Muhammad. But these hooligans insisted that the Baba is not for him. There were attacks twice. Third time only, Deepak and his friend Vijay came and protected them. And they said that they heard the message of their heart. दिल का मैसेज सुन के उन्होंने किया है. അതായത് ഹൃദയത്തിന്റെ സന്ദേശം കേട്ടിട്ടാണ് they did it. I feel that I am coming from Kerala. I am a member of parliament from Kerala. I made it a point that I should come and visit and express my solidarity with my younger brother Deepak and his colleague, friend Vijay. Because, see, what is in a member of parliament? You need to protect those people, support those people who are working in the direction of the Indian Constitution. That is more important. Whatever he has done is as per the Indian Constitution. Fraternity, brotherhood, sab kuch. So the spirit of the Constitution needs to be upheld. And the bounden duty of a member of parliament is to protect the Constitution. Isliye, that's why I came here. Not for anything else, but to express the solidarity. And also, that also is very important. I want to convey the greetings of Kerala, the most peaceful state which has got communal harmony. In state, आपको मालूम है दीपक साहब, केरल में देखो हिंदू है, ईसाई है, मुसलमान भी है. हम तीनों इकट्ठा रहता है. इसमें कोई झगड़ा नहीं है. We have been together. We are creating our destiny, our future by staying together. So I wanted to convey the message of Kerala, which is a land of peace and communal amity. And I am also inviting Deepak and his friend with their family. Come to Kerala. Kerala aa jana hai. Spend some time there. See the state because it's like Himalayas, the pahad and the samudra.
इसका मिलान है.
या ये मिलना है. पहाड़ और समुद्र ये प्यार से मिलना मतलब इससे भी ज्यादा कुछ नहीं है. And I also compliment his mother, who withstood the pressure of these hooligans, despite that her livelihood was threatened. But she said only one thing: my son has done the right thing. That is, I fully salute the mother of Deepak also. That is also very important.